Today we'll be previewing this 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback GT350H Tribute. This is a C-code car with about every option you can throw at it. So let's take a look and see what you might think of this car. 14-inch magnums in the front. The paint on this car is approximately 5 years old and still presents as absolutely fresh, as you can see here. You'll visit our website for detailed undercarriage photos as well. 205 70 14 BF Goodrich tires in the back. And again, this car is laser straight, finished like a mirror. The plexiglass rear quarter windows, the iconic gold stripes, and these stripes are buried under the clear, so there's no ridge that you can catch with your fingernail. This car also has Flowmasters, which you'll hear in just a moment. So we do have some photo documentation of the restoration that will accompany this car. The gold rocker stripes, the H indicating the Hertz, which is a rental car. In '66 there were 999 Hertz cars. Majority of them were black and gold, such as this. Actually had green and red, blue, among other colors. Let's pop the hood and see what we have under here. So here we are under the hood. This 289 4-barrel. This car has power steering, power disc brakes, ice cold air conditioning, tri-Y headers, which gives it that wonderful tone, aluminum radiator. Nice. You see the power booster back there. Let's fire it up and see what we have. Is now engaged. Let's go to the inside. See if we can listen to the music here in the back. There we go. Music to my ears. So a couple of liberties taken with the interior. It does have the 3-spoke Shelby wheel. See all the gauges functioning properly, 69,000 miles on the odometer. This does have a Bluetooth AM/FM radio installed.
Prices participation may vary. Limited time only. Cannot be provided.
Tachometer, as would have been. And this nice hump hugger dual cup holder console. I don't even believe these are available any longer. But it makes cruising very comfortable. Now, because the horn is not currently working on this car, but everything else, as you can see, functions just as it should. Difficult to tell here, but the C code with the 63A interior, standard interior. out automatic transmission. These cars only had a front speaker, oddly enough. It's adequate if you care to listen to the radio while driving a car that sounds this good. Super well done car. Very fortunate to be able to offer this 66 Mustang. And all these had a factory fold down back seat. The Shelbys obviously would have had the delete panel. So underneath here, see if you can see the upgraded suspension, disc brakes, floor pans, just spotless. Does have subframe connectors. See if we can get a look from this side. Oops. There we go. Again, beautiful job on this car. This car is so well mannered. Steel hood on this car with a fiberglass scoop, which is molded. See the Monte Carlo bar there as well. And the Shelby hood pins and locks. Well, thank you. I hope you've enjoyed viewing this 66 Ford Mustang GT350H Tribute. And until next time.